Hello, mic check. Hello. Mic check. Hello. Okay, so we are live and we are going to solve graded problems today as well. Let's get into it. So the first question is, I will solve this sum of three values, which is nothing but three sum. Okay, it is a standard lead code problem. And solving it is also very easy. Sum of three values. Okay, so we are given this. Okay, we are given this, and let's say we sort it. This is the target. This is our target. We want to create that sum using three values present in the array. And what we will return? We will return the indexes of those elements, and they should be distinct elements. Okay, we will sort this. Then it will look like 1, 2, 5, 7. Okay, so how do we solve it? So it is simple. We will keep three pointers. Okay, one is I here, since it will be distinct, na, all the pointers should be distinct. I mean, they should not point to a single element. So j will be here and k will be here. Why am I doing it like this? We'll see. I, j and k. Okay, so I have fixed one value. Okay, now I'm going to find two values in the rest of the array. So it is very similar to two sum problem. Okay, sum of two values. So by fixing this one position, I will do just a two sum solution for the rest of the array, and target will be changed to nothing but what the target given to us, which is 8 minus the pivoted position, so 1, so basically 7. So can I make 7 using two can I make 7 using two values in this array, in this part of the array? That is what I'll answer. And if I can, then I'll return those two indexes, and along with the indexes, pivoted index, we will have our answer. So pretty simple. We will implement it directly. So what we need is, we have n, we have an array, we also have our target. We will take input in the array. Okay, I will sort it, and then we will do this. So I have started from 0 and going till I minus 2 with this, so that I have at least 2 pointers remaining by the end of the iteration. Okay, so, and there is no segmentation fault. So this is this. So new target and t will be the given target minus ai, and here I'll do a 2 pointer. So I'll have a start, which is so started at +1, and end will go till end will be n-1. Okay, and while start is less than end, what I'll do, if it is less than the target or nt new target, then start will be incremented. If this thing is greater than the target, then the end will be decremented. Otherwise, what we will do? Otherwise, we will return I should just return. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, which is wrong. Why? Because we need original position now. This is from the sorted arrays position. So we will make a paired array. Okay. And dot first and ai dot second is nothing but I only. Hmm. 4, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. I mean, not start. A start dot ss, a end dot ss. Four, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. It should work. Yes. Let's submit this. Wrong. Okay. flag is equal to true, I will break it. If flag break, if flag see out, okay. Done. Reading books. Next question. There are n books and Kotiwala and Justina are going to read them all. For each book, you know the time it takes to read it. They both read each book from beginning to end and they cannot read a book at the same time. What is the minimum total time required? Okay. Reading books. Two 8 3. So our task in this problem is to arrange the books in such a way that there is no simultaneous read by both of the readers, and also we minimize the gap between reading a single book. So for example, if we arrange it like this, we have 2, we have 8, or maybe 3, then 8, and we have 8, then 3, then 2, something like this. So let's say for 2 what is this, for 2 time, I don't know the unit, let's say 2 hours. This is Koti and Justy. Koti, this is Koti, this is Justy. Okay, Koti reads this book for 2 hours, Justy reads for 8 hours. Okay, in that time Koti can read this 3-hour book also. Okay, and then before reading this 8-hour book, she will have to wait for at least 3 hours, because they cannot read a book simultaneously. So this is the gap that I was mentioning. And then Koti can read that 8-hour book. Okay, and here then the Justy can read 3 and 2 because Koti has already read it, so there will be no overlapping or yeah. So what is the total time then? So total time was is 2 3 3 8, so 16 here also, no, 16, because we need to check for the maximum between 2 and we have to give that minimum such value. Okay, so how do we solve this problem? One thing we can do is we can do like this, like I've done here in this example. We will assign sorted order, ascending order books based on the reading time to one girl, and based on descending assigned to another, and then we will minimize the try to minimize the gap. That seems optimal. I don't know why, but it seems optimal. Because what will happen in that case now? Uh, because what will happen is, so the largest uh, time or the highest time taking book, if we assign it to one person, the other can consume all the smallest time taking books. So while the second one finishes that book, high like the thicker book maybe, this can consume all the thinner books, the books which have only half an hour or 1 hour reading time. Okay, so when this one finishes the large book, or the on the higher time book, uh, she will have more choices for the next book, because she would have already consumed all the small lower ones, huh? So I think it should minimize the this gap time. So we will try that only. It is just my hunch. There is no logic. I mean, there is no methodical solution here. I'm going by my hunch. And who knows? Maybe it will be. Okay. Okay, so we will have another AI temp, which is t only, we will sort t and we will sort and reverse. I need to make r sort also. Okay, there is one. So I will sort in reverse. Okay, and we have answer, and I will have two pointers, and answer is now while I is less than n and j is also less than n. Int sum is equal to 0, and while this sum is less than temp j, we will keep adding sum plus equal to ti plus plus. The moment it is greater, at this position it is equal to or greater. Okay, so we will do it like this. The moment it is greater, I will increment j and check if ti is double equal to temp j. In that case, if it is, in that case, चढ़ते हैं J++ I don't think should be here. sure how to implement this. It looks easy dry running, but implementing it is I'm very sleepy. So very some we solved this, na? This is again sliding window problem. We will solve this problem. Let's forget about reading books. We will solve very soon. Okay, simple sliding window. What we will do is we will keep a window, we will keep expanding it till we hit the required sum, and we will try to maintain that window. We will try to maintain a window with sum equal to that only. If it exceeds that, we will start shrinking it from the rear side. At the same time, we will also expand it from the front side, and thus we will increment the counter for each. So basic sliding window. Variable length. Okay, let's done input done. I have I at 0 and I have j at 0, j is less than a plus plus, I have answer 0, and also have sum equal to 0. So sum plus equal to ai, sorry, aj, and if sum is greater than the target, or we will do it like this: while sum greater than target, we will do sum minus equal to ai plus plus. Here I will do a answer plus plus. See out answer. Five, which is not correct. If sum double equal to x, then it is the same question, no? It should work. Oh. Can we do it using map? We will store the prefix sum till a certain point, and if we encounter that same sum Okay, so Sabere sums 1 is done. For Sabere sums 2, we will use map. Sub array sums 2. How will we solve it? Let's try to understand using this example. Okay, so we have a map. That map will contain the prefix sum. Okay, that map will contain the prefix sum. So I will keep adding summation. So let's say I am here right now, so I'll add 2. Okay, and it is 1 only. Then I'm here minus 1, it will be 1 at 1. Okay, now I'm at here, now I am at here at 3. So 3 and 1 is 4, 4 is also 1. Then I am at here at 5. Okay, now I am here at 5. So 5 is 9 is also 1. And at this time in the map, what I will search is, if I can find a number, if I can find whatever sum I have minus the target, if it is present in the map, that means that I have a subarray which amounts to which which sums equal to our target. Okay, if this is present in the map, then we have a subarray which has a sum equal to our target. Okay, so this is one check, and other check is simple. If the prefix sum itself is equal to the target, then of course we have the answer is equal to answer plus 1, and we'll put in that case 0 to the map and increment its value. Okay, so let's go and we have map, if map dot count this sum minus our target, which is x, then answer plus equal to mp sum minus x. Otherwise we will just Wrong answer. Limit. Finally, we are done. We're done for today, and I'm tired. Okay then. We'll meet tomorrow. Yeah. Good night and